Let's begin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I haven't named it yet just because I didn't think I will be making my video so soon. I thought maybe I can complete my graduation and learn a little about editing, and maybe then I can start making videos. But look, I'm here, and I'm making this video for a certain fest. It's the YouTube Fan Fest that's gonna happen on 1st March, and it's by HP. It's sponsored by HP. So there's this criteria that is there to win free tickets. So the criteria is that I need to make a YouTube video which talks about myself and about my life, and if they like it, if I'm selected, then I get to go to the fest. Woohoo! The main reason why I won these tickets is I have a very strong connection with YouTube, I think, because out of 24 hours a day, I think I spend at least 5 hours seeing YouTube videos. I have subscribed to so many people. I have learned so much through YouTube, I can't even tell you. So yeah, because many YouTubers are coming on 1st March, and almost all of them are whom I follow. I literally love them, and I am so desperate to meet them. I can't express how desperate I am. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Henceforth, I'll be trying to make at least one video per week, and hope you like it. What's this YouTube thing all about? I think everyone has those times in their lives when they think that they want to do something really big in their life, but eventually they maybe fall out of chances, or maybe when they get the chances, they're not able to fulfill what they want, or maybe they have it in their mind, but they're just not able to do it in real life, you know. So I'm gonna talk about what you talk big about, and then when it comes to performing, how people really perform big, bigger than they ever thought they will. So the first time that I went through the talk big, perform bigger scene was during my 10th standard exams, and I was really so stressed out, and I thought that I'm going to forget everything. And after the exams, I knew that I did well, but I was always not sure that no, maybe I didn't perform so good, maybe I should have written this, and oh my god, what am I going to do, I'm so doomed. But then eventually, after a few months when my results came out, I couldn't believe myself. Can you believe it? Even my mom was not ready to believe that I finally did it, and yeah, I performed bigger than I spoke about. So that was the first scene, and just recently in my life, a very big thing happened. It was my summer vacation, and I had thought of interning somewhere. So I gave a few interviews, around 6 I guess. So yeah, I gave 6 interviews, and something or the other got in my way. Either the company was not recruiting interns, or they already had someone, or maybe they were out of projects right now, so I couldn't do anything after joining the agency. They said that I didn't have any work to do. So something or the other happened, and I couldn't get into any company to work, and I lost all my hope. I thought that my vacation is gonna go to waste. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just, you know, do my regular stuff. And then later on, after a week, my cousin told me about this company that was recruiting interns. So I went there, I gave my interview, and over there I know that the company is really big, and it's very difficult to get into it. And my cousin had also said that if I get into it, then it's like a golden ticket for my career. So yeah, I went over there, I gave my interview, and I had other people over there. They were all very cool, and they were also so very talented, and I'm like, oh my god, where do I stand in front of them? So again, after coming home, my mom asked me, so how was it? Did they say anything? So I said that yeah, I gave the interview, but I have no idea what's gonna happen. So that was there, and as I said, I had lost complete hope. Then after around 2 days, I got a call from them. They said that, am I speaking to Disha Gangan? I'm like, yes, who's this? So she's like, I'm from this company, and you gave the interview 2 days back, so we have selected you, and you're on crew. So you'll be joining from next week, and this is what you'll be doing. And I was out of words. I was jumping. I called my cousin, I called my dad, I called my mom. No one was at home. I was literally jumping. I was so excited for the job because it is in a field that I love. It is to do with something that I love. I have been waiting to work, and finally I'm getting to work after giving so many interviews, after losing complete hope. So what I'm trying to tell y'all is that you should never lose hope. First of all, I think being positive helps a lot. I have always believed in this mantra of being positive. Sometimes I lose hope, and then suddenly something occurs that makes me believe that okay, no, there's still some chance that you should always be positive till the very last minute. Even if the scene is over, you should still be positive that maybe something better is there in store for you, and something amazing was in store for me. And I got internship, so I've been working with them for a few months now. I am completely loving the job. I love the people over there. I got to meet so many big shot who's who of Bombay, and I've been working with them. So yeah, I really love my job. So basically I told y'all about this because it's like these are the incidents that happened with me where I just spoke big and then I finally achieved something bigger. Also this thing that I'm doing right now, I always spoke about being a YouTuber, and oh my god, I used to tell my friends that did you see this YouTube? Did you see the YouTube video, and dude, subscribe to this person, they make amazing videos and she's so amazing and they sing so well and she dresses up so well, fashion blogs, music blogs, everything. So then I always thought that someday I will make videos, and luckily to meet a YouTuber, I am making a YouTube channel, YouTube video. I'm falling out of words. I'm so happy. I hope you like my video again. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. That's all I can say. I hope I win the tickets. I will be the happiest person on earth, and all my credit will go to y'all. So thanks. Keep watching, keep liking, keep loving, be positive, and love everyone. Why the hell would you hate anyone? Just be funny and be yourself, and don't care a damn about what people think. Just be yourself and you'll be great at life. Yeah. Bye. Did you know I wear specs?